Hey everybody, I'm Brandon. This site is all about SHSAT prep and why you can do this. Okay, throw the term SHSAT into Google or YouTube, which you should totally do because you know that's how we learn stuff. And you'll probably come to this page which says that specialized high schools are for kids who excel academically. Not quite sure what that means because for many middle schools, the very top performing kids still won't qualify for a specialized high school. That's how difficult it is to get into these schools. So the term excel academically is kind of loaded, and what I like better than that term is the term grit. Okay, so what is grit? Grit is passion and perseverance for long-term goals. So it's not someone who's smart and uses their smarts not to do a lot of schoolwork. It's actually quite the opposite. It is someone who tears into things, who does their best because that's who they are. And you should have grit, because you think about it, every good invention that humankind has ever come up with, from fire to the latest iPhone, wasn't just developed because someone had an inspiration, but that inspiration was followed through with grit to make it into a reality. How does New York City find these kids with grit that deserve to go to specialized high schools? Well, they give the SHSAT, which is a really long, complicated test, which takes, well, grit to prepare for. So as you go through the problems on this site, you might have a question. What should I do if I don't understand something? For example, square roots or comma rules. Well, you could, A, give up. You could B, brainstorm who to blame, like my teacher didn't teach me this, or C, hide somewhere, or D, throw it into Google, YouTube, or Khan Academy, because, that's how we learn stuff now. If you're not able to do this, you probably won't enjoy your time in a specialized high school if you're lucky enough to get in. So you should do this. I mean, it is kind of straightforward, right? You put in comma rules into YouTube and you have this nice guy and this nice guy and this nice lady. They're all really eager to talk to you and tell you about modifiers and all the rest of it. So it's just there at your fingertips if you have a computer, so you should use it. And another question might arise. What if I do all this work and then fail? Wouldn't that be horrible? And the answer is, yeah, it could be. Every year there are thousands and thousands of New York City kids who spend a lot of time preparing for the SHSAT, end up not getting an offer to any specialized school. It has to be said that there's a lot of kids who will also get offers to specialized high schools and say, no, I don't want to go there. That's not the best school I got into, or that's a good school, but it's not the right school for me. That being said, there is definitely a risk of being disappointed when you prepare for this test. But that's okay. Successful people aren't scared of failing. They fail all the time. They get smarter, stronger, and more graceful each time, and then they do something important. So if you're not failing at things, you're not trying things that are hard enough for you. So here's what you should do. You should get your mindset right. You should get a good group of friends together, and you should crack the books. Good luck.